This is the video to learn how to reverse a list in Excel. So guys, if you want to sort data in reverse order, so you can use this trick. Firstly, write the number 1, 2. Now press the control and entire list. Now select here this both name list and number list. Right click on it and sort. Custom sort by. In the column select B because we have the numbers in this B list, and in order select largest to smallest, then click on OK. That's it. So this is the way you can sort data in reverse order. Thanks for watching. Comment this video is useful for you.